Today we will start transformation part 2, assertive to imperative. Here you will know how we can change an assertive sentence into imperative one. Firstly, you need to know the definitions of these two sentences. That means, what is assertive sentence? Assertive sentence declares a statement. Now we can clarify it with an example. Robin eats rice. Here, Robin eats rice is an example of an assertive sentence. Now, mark it. Robin is subject, eat verb, rice object. Now we can write the structure. Subject plus verb plus object. Now we will know what an imperative sentence is. Imperative sentence refers to order, request, advice, etc. Look at the examples. Go there. Always speak the truth. Here, always speak the truth is an example of advice. Here, someone gives advice to someone. It is an example of imperative sentence. Go there is an example of imperative sentence. Mark here. There is no subject in both the sentences. That means we can make structure or write structure here. Verb plus object. That means if we say eat rice, it will be an example of imperative sentence. Next, there are two structures here. Let plus object plus B1. Let him go there. Let him go there. Here, if you see, you will understand that in this sentence, it writes there is no subject. In the sentence below, let him go there. Here you will not find also a subject. Here let, you will get let. After this, you will get him. Him is not subject. Subject, it is the objective form of the subject he. Okay. To change an assertive sentence into imperative sentence, you have to know the basic forms, that means the definition and structure of assertive sentence and imperative sentence. While it is very easy to change from one sentence to another if you understand the basic meaning and structure of both the sentences. Firstly, you will have to mark what you will have to do. You will see in the bracket what is written. That means, now look at this. you should do it is an example of assertive sentence. In the bracket, you see imperative. It means that you have to change this you should do it into an imperative sentence. Then how we will do it? First you have to think about the structure. Here this is the subject, this is modal verb, this is verb, this is object. Now what you will do? We know that in the assertive sentence you will find we will find subject, auxiliary, verb. But in case of imperative sentence we will not find this. Look at this structure. Verb plus object. That means there is no subject here. It means that you will omit the subject. Then we can omit this subject, this modal auxiliary verb. Then what we get? Do it. Do it is an example of assertive sentence. What we have? Verb plus object. We know structure, verb plus object. Now it is an example of imperative sentence. What we have done? We have done only two things. That means we have omitted subject you and modal auxiliary verb should. Then we have written do it. You can change any sentences from assertive to imperative one following this. Now we will give more examples. Suppose you must come in time. Imperative. What can you do? You will cross this you will cross or omit must. Then what we get? Come in time. Now come in time is an example of imperative sentence. I think you have understood the process easily, but be careful in one thing. That means what we have done in both the cases, the subject is you. But if the subject is not you, then what you will do? Suppose you have got a sentence that means he eats rice. Imperative. How you will change? You will have to, if you see that the subject is not you, that means he is not second person. If you get any other person except second person, then what you will do? You will have to follow this structure. That means let plus object plus V1. Firstly, we will add let in this sentence. Then we will change the form of the subject. He is subject here. We will have to change this he into object. Then do you know what is the objective form of he? Perhaps you know objective form of he is him. Then we can change it him, let him. Then we will write what? That means we will write verb. But look at this sentence, let plus object plus V1. That means base form of the verb. If you see any s or es at the end of the verb, you will have to omit this. Then you can write only it. Then object. The changed form is let him eat rice. Let plus object plus V1 plus rice. But you will have to be careful. That means if you write this eats without change, then the sentence must be wrong. We are going to the next form. If we write another sentences here. You'll understand it easily. They may help us. Imperative sentence. Change it. Then, can you remember what we have discussed earlier? That means we'll have to mark the subject. Here the subject is they, not you. If the subject is you can omit or cross, but here the subject is they. So what we will do? We will use let. Then we get may. May is a modal verb. That's why we will have to omit it or cross it. Then what we will write? Let plus object. The object of they. Then we will change they into them. Let them. Then what we get here? Help us. Mark here. Let plus object plus V1. Here, when a modal auxiliary verb can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, ought to, used to, need, any one of these will be used before a verb. The base form of the verb will be used. That's why there is help here. We can write another sentence. He can see oil. Impartition. Change this. Then what you will do? You will use let plus objective form of the subject he, him. Let him. Can is a modal auxiliary verb. Then what you will do? You will have to omit this. Let him see oil. Okay. I am Muhammad Nasiruddin, lecturer in English, Jirabad Onidris College, Sabar, Dhaka, Bangladesh. If you like this video and you are benefited from this, you think, then you can subscribe to my channel, online free English class, so that you can get the next video through notifications of SMS, and you will feel free to give likes, shares if you think that it will help others. Today we will end the class now. In the next class you will find transformation part 3. Here we will discuss how we will change an assertive sentence into exclamatory sentence. If you think that you need this, you must not forget to subscribe.